For you today, I'm show you how you can easily add a chatbot to existing WordPress website. There are a number of chatbot plugins available, but this one comes with a free version. So as long as you don't have a lot of volume, you can use this one. It's called Jotform. So let's go down. This is the plugin. This is our site that I manage. From your WordPress admin console, you've got plugins, plugin. It's pretty fast actually. It's chat folder. It's this one, AI chatbot for WordPress chat form. Just click on more details. We'll have some information. Key features, you can customize, multilingual, customize branding. This is what we'll be doing. We'll be installing the plugin, connecting our account, creating a chatbot, customizing, and it actually looks at your website to train itself. It's pretty quick. And embedding, it's also very quick. There are paid versions of this too, but as long as I think it's 100 conversations per month, it's free. So we're just going to install. Just click install, and then click activate. It's in the install plugins area. Here. Right at the bottom here, you click on the chat form. I've got to add it to your admin console. Start. Talk about what kind of agent you'd like. Customer support. Yeah. So actually looking at the site, because you're doing this directly in your admin console in WordPress, so your site address and stuff like that. You could say, what the greeting is. You want it to be on the left or right hand side. You can choose which assistant you'd like. I like this one. Give it a name. Sleep with that. First I'll just stick with one. Now there's this is actually stuff from your site that it's found. And then you can have chat on every page on your site. So pages, just do set changes. And now when it's available on the site, you can actually chat with the bot right here. Swap. Just okay. So should leave a link directly on my site for that topic. The reason I just did that was we'll do the conversations that I've put on the site. So that shows up here. That way you can see if the chatbots have tuned correctly, if it's for the training. Now, just to verify it's on the site, I'm just going to quick visit the site. Straight there. All the pages should show up. Yep, on all the pages. So yeah, that only took about 5 to 6 minutes to set up a free chat bot on the site. Last thing is we just look at the posting forms. It's called Jotform. Let's see. Free. It's a current version. You can have up to 5 forms, 100 submissions per month, so that might be bottleneck for some sites, or 1,000 form views, so restricting it to certain pages, like the home page. If you hit that limit, the bots will convert. So, which is a lot more. Looks like about 10 times what the free one is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and welcome any comments, and I wanted to subscribe to the channel. That way you can notify on future videos. Thank you.